So what's going on, people? I think everyone are doing good. Okay, let's jump into the today's video. So that will be how do you use a rename command. So the rename command is basically used to rename multiple files at once using regular expression. Let me give an example. Let me go inside some directories. Okay, now there is two files. Okay, there is two files. Now I need to change this file's extension to any other extensions using rename -v, and then I need to specify yes slash and backslash. Then I have to specify which extension, then dollar symbol. That will be I'm saying that there is one extension called txt in the last of the file name, then please replace it to bak. Then I'm closing it, then I'm specifying everything .txt. So this will rename. Okay, I need to install rename. I guess I need to install this command, I guess. Yeah, sorry, this command is not built in. You need to install this command. So just give me 2 minutes. Okay, fencing reading database 95. It's all almost done. Okay, now if I do ls, then if I do use the same command, if I do enter, then if I do ls, see, you can see that for file.txt of these two files extension has been changed to bak. That is how you use rename command. Okay, let's say that you need to rename the .txt file to be a .bak file, but without actually renaming it. How do you do that? So now what I do, I specify bak. I'm doing it reverse so that I can okay, I need to do it txt, then search for bak command. So bak extension files, then I need to specify n. So this will basically rename it, but it will not actually rename it, but it will show the output of the rename. Okay, this will not rename it. If you need to rename it, you need to use -v. Now let's say that you need to rename .txt files to .bak files, but overwrite existing .bak files. How do you do that? So there is some .bak file, so that you need to use f command. So this will force the operation to find the .bak files, the files which is ending with the .bak. Then it will forcefully turn that extension to txt. If I do ls, see, the file is been changed forcefully. Okay, now let's say you need to prompt before overwriting extension. Let's do ls. Okay, now I'm changing. Okay, now I'm changing .txt files to bak file, but I need some agreement. Sorry, I need some prompt that is asking that, do you want to change this file into bak? For that I need to use -i. So this will basically prompt me. Maybe that hyphen is not there. Okay, so they have updated it, I guess. Maybe that -i is not there. Okay, let's say you are converting .txt file to .bak. Now instead of converting, you need to create a hard link. How do you do that? You need to specify l. So that will basically change to hard link, but there is no argument called -l present here, because in the older version of Linux these arguments were there present, and in this version there is no argument called -l. Okay, so you can check man page and rename. Okay, there is many arguments that you can use. That will be -v for verbose, if you need to print what operation is going on, -c 0 for null, and -n to not to do any actions, -f I showed you, and the path specify, and the directories, do not rename directories, and help and man, and a version. I guess it has a version, rename version. Yeah, it has a version, version 1.13. Okay, so that's all guys. Thank you for watching, and bye.